How to turn on notifications on Ring. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon and here select Control Center. So basically, this is the place where you can find different settings and customize it. Now, slowly scroll down. Here, there's a section of Notification Preferences. Tap on it. Now you can find two categories available, email from Ring or mobile. So you can simply tap on the one that you want to turn it on. So here I'm tapping on mobile. Now you can find different categories and subcategories that are available. So it's up to you and you can simply tap on the one that you want to turn on. At last you can go back and it's all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.